Hello, my dear bachcho. Welcome back, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you. You know, your exams are coming, but we're not going to worry, are we? No, we are going to have fun. Today, I have such a wonderful, tasty story for you, and it's going to help us play with numbers. Are you excited? Let's begin.
So our story starts in this bright, sunny forest with this little squirrel. Just look at her happy face. Why is she so happy? Because she has found a big, juicy yellow mango. Yum. But just as she was about to take her first delicious bite, she heard a little swoosh in the air. Who could that be?
You know what? It looks like we're about to have a mango party. And our job, yes, your job and my job, is to be the official party counters. We have to keep track of every single guest who comes to share this super tasty treat. Ready?
Okay, so first we have our host, the squirrel. So that's one. And who is the first guest to arrive? Look, it's a big, clever crow flying right down. He probably smelled that sweet mango from way up high. All right, team, time for our first count. We have one squirrel and one crow. So how many is that all together? Let's count them out loud together. Ready? 1 and 2.
Shabazz. That's right. 1 plus 1 more makes 2. See? You are all so clever. Now we have 2 friends ready to share the mango.
Oh, but wait, hold on. The party's getting bigger. A small little bird has also spotted that yummy mango. And look, she's flying right down to join the squirrel and the crow.
Okay, now think carefully. We had 2 friends, right? And now 1 more has joined. So what is 2 and 1 more? What does that make? Come on, you know this. 3. Yes, absolutely correct. Well done. Now we have a party of 3. Wow, this mango must be very famous. And you know what? The party just kept getting bigger and bigger. After our 3 friends, look what happened. 1 more friend arrived, and that made 4. Then another one came, making 5. The party just grew and grew, one by one, all the way up to a grand total of 9 friends sharing that one mango. What a popular mango, huh?
That was such a fun story, and you were paying such close attention I could tell. So, let's play a little memory game. A quick quiz, just to see what we learned from our animal friends. I know you're going to do great.
Okay, here's the first question. Every time a new friend came to the mango party, how many joined at once? Think back to how our party got bigger.
1. You got it. Every single time, just 1 more friend joined. You know, that's the secret of counting. We just add 1 more to get the next number. 1, then 1 more is 2, then 1 more is 3. It's just like climbing a ladder, 1 step at a time.
And now for the big final question about our story. After every single guest had arrived, what was the final number of animals and birds enjoying that mango treat? What was the last number we counted to? 9. Brilliant. What a big, happy party. And you know the most important thing? They all shared the mango. Sharing is caring, nah? So 9 friends all shared 1 mango? That's so wonderful. Okay, now for some magic. We're going to play a number game with something you carry with you everywhere. Your own 2 hands. Your fingers are the best counting tool in the entire world, you know that? Look here. On the branch, we can see some little birds. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. Now look at the hand. How many fingers is it holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's a perfect match. 4 birds, 4 fingers.
Okay, your turn to play. Everyone, right now hold up your hand and show me 3 fingers. Come on, I'm watching. Very good. Now here's a little challenge. Can you show me 3 but in a different way? Maybe use your thumb this time. See? There are lots of ways to show the same number.
Brilliant work, bachcho. You are all finger counting champions. Are you ready for another game? This one is super easy. It's called More or Less. All you have to do is look closely and tell me which group has more and which has less. Easy peasy.
First up, we have some delicious fruits. There are some red, juicy apples and a whole bunch of yellow bananas. My question is, which group has more? Are there more apples or more bananas? Count them both carefully now.
The bananas, of course. If we count them, there are 9 bananas, but only 6 apples.
And 9 is a bigger number than 6, right? So there are more bananas. Excellent work. You are all getting so good at this.
Ready for another one? Ooh, look at this tasty food. We have some yummy idlis on a plate and a big stack of chapatis. This time, my question is, which group is less? Remember, less means the smaller number.
The idlis, that's right. There are only 5 idlis, but look at all those chapatis. There are many more. So the idlis are less in number. Fantastic counting, my dear students.
Okay, it's time for our final brain-boosting challenge. Imagine a rainy day with lots of colorful umbrellas. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to find 2 groups of umbrellas that, when you count them together, make exactly 7. Take a close look and use your finger to point to the 2 groups on the screen.
You did it! You are all math superstars. I am so proud of every single one of you. Remember, playing with numbers like this in stories and games is the best way to become friends with maths. Keep practicing. Keep counting everything you see. You are going to do great in your exams. I can't wait for our next learning adventure together. Until then, bye-bye!